my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you join me on my YouTube adventures. And make sure to click on the little bell. This one right here. Hi guys! Happy Sunday! That's right, it is Sunday. Today I partnered up with my really good friend here on YouTube, Kristi. I'm going to leave her channel linked right here and down below in the description box. So if you want to go over and say hi, she would love that, I'm sure. Now, I absolutely love hosting Thanksgiving. And we share something very dear with each other. We both love Louisiana, and we share that common interest. She no longer lives in Louisiana either. She now lives in the state of Texas, but we have a lot of similarities where we both lived all over the place. She used to live in Alaska. I used to live in Russia, so kind of similar. Anyways, we're doing our Thanksgiving tables, and I'm going to keep mine very simple this year because I might be down south for Thanksgiving. I mean, fingers crossed, that's the plan as of right now, but you know life, things change. Okay, so I'm going to show you the elements I'm going to use, and I'm going to put the table together, and I think it's just...
So guys, I just want to show you the elements that I'm going to use. I'm using this beautiful green plate that I got from Hobby Lobby in the fall. And then these wonderful napkin rings from the Joanna Gaines line at Target. Also, this very inexpensive wine goblet from actually the dollar store, the Dollar Tree. And then you've seen the garland that I'm going to use. I'm also going to use this very pretty napkin. It's got a little sparkle in it, and you'll see why right now. I'm also using this gorgeous plate that I recently picked up at the end of fall. Well, the end of fall here because, as you know, I'm in Canada. It's this beautiful deer plate. I just think it's just beautiful. It was only $5.99 at TJ Maxx. And then I am going to use these gorgeous placemats that I have from Pier 1. And I'm not sure if Pier 1 still carries these. I got these a few years ago and I just love them.
Hi guys. Okay, so in today's video, not only am I hosting Thanksgiving here on YouTube with my girlfriend Kristi, but Kristi and I are also going to show you our favorite drink because it is the time when you invite people over and you host events, and a little drink is always a good idea. Okay, this year for my Thanksgiving tablescape, I would really like to incorporate these colors. Now for me, Thanksgiving means so many things. I love this color, and this I recently picked up in a clearance sale at 70% off at Target. It's the Joanna Gaines Hearth and Hand, but I'm gonna mix it with this garland that I already have, and let's get to decorating, okay?
Okay guys, I just want to give you a really quick overview of what I've done here on my table. You see I'm getting ready to put the dishes on, and I'll show you that as we go. I just added the two garland that I had explained before, and let me show you this cute little trick. I have this beautiful mercury glass candle holder, and then I have this beautiful pretty rare mahogany candlestick, but then I added a little Dollar Tree candlestick just to give it some height and some interest. And I know my lighting today is not always the best, but when you pan down, you see all the interesting colors and shape. And that's what I wanted, because you're going to see all this tied into the place settings.
Thanksgiving for me is a time of reflection. It is also the most beautiful thing to kick off the holiday season. I know many of you have seen me doing Christmas videos, but we're going to put a little pause on that for one moment and let's do this tablescape.
Guys, I want to give you two looks. Now you can see the plates have all been styled and the placemat, and I think it just all ties in with the garland over there, but I'll show you that in a bit. Now I'm thinking of using this really pretty napkin ring and my napkin, but if you don't have a napkin ring, I want to give you another idea of what you can do. I just laid the napkin on the dinner plate, and then you take your salad plate and put it right there so that when your guests arrive, they will have their napkin at their place setting. And some people say to me that I place my napkin in the wrong spot. I usually place my napkin on the right, but I heard you're supposed to place your napkin on the left. That could be wrong, or it could be right. It doesn't matter as long as we're all having fun. Okay, you set your table and you're waiting for your guests to arrive. And here's the drink that I'm gonna make. This is my favorite drink ever. And if you know anything about the South, then you definitely know who Miss Scarlett O'Hara is. She's probably the most famous woman we know. Okay. Southern Comfort comes from the great state of Louisiana, which is true to my heart. But Canada Dry comes from Canada, where I live. And if you mix Southern Comfort and cranberry juice, you get a Scarlett O'Hara drink. But I'm gonna mix Canada Dry cranberry ginger ale. I didn't realize that it was in French, so I just flipped it around so you can see the English side. So cranberry ginger ale, because this represents me to a T. Cranberries, cranberry Canada Dry, and Southern Comfort. Get yourself a really beautiful glass, put some ice, a little shot of Southern Comfort, and top it off with cranberry ginger ale, and you got yourself a Northern Scarlett O'Hara, baby.
My video. I just want to wish you a very beautiful Thanksgiving for you and your family and your loved ones and your friends. And I want to tell you, from my home to you, I am beyond grateful for each and every one of my subscribers. And you know how much I love you guys. I have so much admiration for you. Every day that I come on YouTube and I make a video and I read your comments, I am thankful for those comments. I am blessed by you watching me, and I am so grateful for the love and the support that you give me. So cheers to you. Have a wonderful Thanksgiving, and I will see you on Monday. Bye, guys, because we're going back to Christmas.